I believe using my skills for good in this world, and my goal is to save lives through the power of good design. I'm Scott, the founder, designer, and engineer behind Scotseal. So Scotseal was the final major project in my degree. It is now an award-winning emergency medical device that allows zero responders to take action and save lives without prior training or knowledge. A zero responder is a member of the general public that's already on scene, requiring no response time. They're able to step in and save a life, however they're often untrained. This product replaces existing methods by getting rid of the learning curve. You can grab this, it's an intuitive device, it takes 4 steps and only 2 to 4 seconds to apply, and you can stabilize the victim and save their life. Step 1, peel off the seal at the bottom and place down over the wound. Step 2, pull tab number 2 and press down. This locks the device. Pull number 3, similar to pulling the pin on a grenade, and then simply press down. When you press down, an element within the pod mimics the exact shape and form of your wound, meaning that wherever the rupture or multiple ruptures are within that wound, they get direct compression. It is based on fully mechanical design. There's no electronics, there's no digital elements, which means there's less stuff to go wrong, less stuff to fail. It's intended to be user focused, so it's intuitive for the user, requiring no training and no prior knowledge of medical devices. You can grab this device and save someone's life. It was very challenging. The concept was simple, yet to make a design real, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of failure. But working through the failures, because it's such a meaningful project, I've got to the point where I'm now developing it at MDMC, and we're looking to go into further testing and hopefully get it out there into the world. While I was at university still, there was a few times that it almost completely failed. And there was a couple of times it looked like it was going to come to a stop. But I'm absolutely determined to make this product and to make it real. The IP is protected through patent pending status with plans to take that international. And so far, everything's been done in Scotland because I believe in the power of Scottish design. But the intention is to rule it out globally for usage. I want everyone that needs a device to be able to grab a device that's nearby and have it applied to them. To use my knowledge and my backgrounds, being a car mechanic, studying art, taking art and mechanics, putting them together, going into design. It's my motivation to use those skills for good. I decided to teach at the university as well because it's really satisfying teaching other people knowledge that I know. I've been through the degree, I've done the degree, and I'm fresh off the degree, so I can teach them a perspective that maybe other people can't. If you would like to contribute to supporting the project and help get it out there into the real world, actually saving lives, please see the funding information below, and every second counts when you're bleeding out.